Quick review. Long nose pliers. One pair cost about 60-70 quid. These are Snap-on ones. Had these about 4 or 5 years. These ones, brand spanking new. Purchased from my own money. These are the Kalali. I think that's the correct pronunciation. Probably wrong. Please correct me in the comment section. By Napa Tools. These cost about £8-9. This is the biggest shock I've come across so far in this sort of like recent challenge between Snap-on and some of the cheaper brands. For starters, the Snap-on ones, you can probably see that really simply. The handle grip on the Snap-on is thicker, the metal is stronger, there's no real flex when you squeeze them together. These ones here, these Napa ones, the handles actually flex in. They feel half the weight of the Snap-on ones. The nose section on these is flat. The grip on the teeth is very coarse and it's not smoothly finished. To be honest, it's very poor actually. These Snap-on ones, I've used these a fair bit and everything is much better engineered. A bit of rust on there for they've been got wet outside, as you can see they have actually been used. I didn't expect to see such a difference between these two. I wouldn't warrant buying these ones at all. These are cheap, horrible, and either going back to where they were purchased from or going to go in the bin because they are, I don't know what you'd use it for. These are sort of like what I used to call your pound shop specials. You know, we've tried a lot of the other Kalali Napa tools and I've been really impressed. And the difference between the Snap-on quality and some of these cheaper brands now, the difference has got much shorter. But when it comes to things like pliers, which seems crazy to think that that difference would be so big, these Snap-on ones, and I think the Mac Tool ones I've got downstairs, I should have brought those up actually, those are definitely a quality product, lifetime guarantee, going to last and do you good service. They are definitely worth spending the money on. These, to be honest, I suppose for your home DIYer who does the odd tiny job and you're going to use them maybe once or twice a year, I suppose, okay, they're worth buying. But otherwise, to be honest, even this rubber here, it's not properly on there. If you look at the Snap-on one, doesn't want to budge at all on here. These grips, they're going to soon slide off and they're just going to end up getting chucked in the back of a toolbox, never used. They're just a waste of money. Then go chuck them over there. These, the Snap-on ones, the Mac Tool ones, definitely worth the money. These definitely will be being kept. Don't buy or waste your money on anything else. If you're going to use them in the trade, home mechanic, or you want a decent set of pliers, long nose, that are going to last you for a good few years, these, I know the electricians out there, they'll say, I think the Nipex ones are really good as well. You know, if you're an electrician, then it's a different ball game. But for your mechanic, definitely spend your money. These will last you a lifetime.